In a peaceful village nestled between green hills and golden fields, there lived a gentle cow named Moo Moo. She had soft white fur, big calm eyes, and a bell around her neck that jingled softly as she walked. Moo Moo was the pride of her owner, an old farmer named Ramu Kaka, who took great care of her. Moo Moo spent her days in the meadow, grazing on lush grass and watching butterflies dance in the breeze. She was known as the kindest animal in the village, never hurting a soul and always sharing her food with birds, squirrels, and even the occasional goat that wandered by. High up in a nearby banyan tree lived a clever little crow named Kalu. He was black as night, with shiny feathers and curious eyes that never missed a thing. Kalu loved to fly over the fields, watching the world from above, and often rested in the shade near Moo Moo. One fine morning, as Moo Moo munched on her breakfast, Kalu flew down and perched on a nearby rock. "Good morning, Moo Moo," he cawed cheerfully. "May I sit with you for a while? I've flown all over the village and I need a break." Moo Moo looked at him kindly and nodded. "Of course, Kalu. There's plenty of space and plenty of stories to share." And just like that, a beautiful friendship began. Every day, Kalu would visit Moo Moo. He told her exciting tales of the sky, about clouds shaped like elephants, rainbows that touch the rivers, and distant hills hidden by mist. Moo Moo, in return, shared the stories of the earth, about the farmers' children, about the changing seasons, and the rhythm of the land. They laughed, learned and stayed, and listened. Though they were so different, one who flew and one who stayed grounded, they understood each other deeply. One hot afternoon, the sun was high and the land was still. Moo Moo was tied near her shed, resting after grazing. Ramu Kaka had placed a large pot of water and a bowl of grain near her. Unbeknownst to anyone, a dangerous snake slithered silently across the ground. Attracted by the coolness of the shed and the scent of milk, the snake crept closer and curled itself around the pot near Moo Moo hay. It was a cobra, and its hood rose every time it sensed movement. Moo Moo, unaware of the danger, was about to move toward the shed for water. Just then, Kalu, who had been watching from the banyan tree, spotted the glint of the snake's scales. His heart skipped a beat. That snake is deadly. If Moo Moo moves forward, she might get bitten. Without a moment's delay, Kalu swooped down and began to caw as loudly as he could. He flapped his wings wildly, circling the shed and calling for help. "Caw! Caw! Danger! Danger!" The villagers heard the ruckus. "What's wrong with that crow?" someone asked. Ramu Kaka came running and noticed Kalu pointing with his beak toward the shed. Peering inside carefully, Ramu Kaka saw the coiled snake and gasped, "A cobra! Quick, bring a stick!" With careful effort, the villagers drove the snake away, making sure no one was hurt. Everyone was amazed and thankful to Kalu for his timely warning. Moo Moo, realizing what had happened, looked at Kalu with tears in her eyes. "You saved my life, Kalu. I don't know how to thank you." Kalu, still panting from the excitement, smiled and said, "You are my friend, Moo Moo. That's what friends do. They protect each other." From that day on, Moo Moo and Kalu's bond became unbreakable. The villagers often smiled, seeing the unlikely pair, a cow and a crow, spending time together, one on the ground and one in the air, yet so deeply connected by heart. Moral of the story: true friendship goes beyond differences. A real friend is always watching out for you, ready to help, even when you least expect it. Never judge a friend by size, shape, or how they live. What matters is the heart and loyalty they carry inside. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like for more videos.